Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spring essentials video here with my friends at FabFitFun. I've already peeked inside this box, guys, and trust me, it's good. I'm not even just saying that. It's really, really good. So the first outfit that I have here, so I actually have a coupon code for this box. It's just RACHSPEED in capital letters. You can use that checkout for $10 off of your first box. The box retails for about $49.99, and if you're getting $10 off, it's already so worth it. It's pretty much the cost of one of the products in this box, which is hella worth it. They just released their spring box. They do the boxes seasonally, so you get 4 boxes a year, and all the products are full size, which is really, really great. So I just want to show you guys mine. Okay, so here is the box. Again, it is so pretty, and I really like these boxes for added storage. And honestly, it's not every day you get such a pretty ornate box. Opening it up, you get your magazine with Miss Venus Williams on it, and then you also get one of these gift cards, which I actually got last time too. It's a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, which is pretty much the cost of the box. So again, super worth it. And let's actually rip the tissue paper. I feel like I'm doing ASMR. So inside, it shows up like this. So I'm gonna go through everything one by one. The first thing, I'm so excited about this because I already knew I was getting this, but it's the Show Me Your Muumuu robe. We don't have Show Me Your Muumuu in Canada, so it's a really fun way for me to try it without obviously having to make a trip across the border. Oh my gosh, I am so excited, guys, because I'm going to Hawaii next month, so this is gonna be so nice for when I'm back and I want to take a bath. So pretty. Oh, okay. The next thing in here, which I'm also really excited about, and I'm so excited to bring this on the plane as well, it is a Swell bottle, and these retail in Canada for I think 40 bucks, so they're really expensive here. But this one is so pretty, has all the lemons on it. It's gonna be so good for my trip to Hawaii as well, and these keep your drinks hot and cold, so you can put hot drinks in this and cold drinks in it, and it'll keep it really nice and fresh for the entire day. The next thing in here, I'm so excited for this, guys, is my ouai leave-in conditioner. I already have a full-size bottle and a travel-size bottle of this, so you guys know I really like this product. It really helps me with my processed hair. Clearly I'm not a natural blonde, so this stuff really helps me out a lot. I personally really like this stuff. ouai has a really good hair care line. You know, I've worked with them before, so this is an amazing product. It's one of my favorite products from their entire hairline. Ooh, the next thing in here is from Korres, and they carry this at Sephora, so you know it's top notch. But this is the Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, and you guys know that I wear all of the face masks on the plane, especially because we're going to be on 2 planes on the way there and 2 planes on the way back. I want to make sure I stay hydrated. This is so pretty. It's Wild Rose. Let's smell it. Hopefully it smells like roses. Oh, that smells so good. So I'm so excited to be bringing this on the plane with me. Let's make sure it's, yes, so this is plane safe because it's 40 milliliters. I'm so excited to bring this on the plane with me and kind of do my little night routine on the plane. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. You guys have been really liking my plane vlogs, so yeah, this is so good. I'm so excited to try this. I've never tried anything from Korres before, and I know their brand is really amazing. Everything in here is so springy too. I think that's really cool. So this is Relax Champagne Charcoal Scrub by Mana Kadar. I've never heard of this brand, and I think that's pretty cool because I love trying new brands. This is sealed, so there's nothing to smell here. But this is really nice for scrubbing yourself in the shower. Ooh, what is this? So this is the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. This is very appropriate for my trip again. This is all stuff I'm going to be bringing on my Hawaii trip. This is the eye depuffing gel, which is perfect for the plane once again. So Dr. Brandt is another brand I haven't tried, but they're at Sephora, so I know they're legit. I'm so excited to try this as well because their products are actually on the pricier side here in Canada, so this was 100% something that is an extra treat for me. Ooh, okay, what is this? This is an aromatic body lotion. I really need this right now because it's winter and I'm so dry. This is by Blvd. Never heard of this brand, but the packaging is super, super pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Oh my gosh, can't wait to use this. So excited. The last thing I have in here, I guess this is the fit aspect, and it is Venus Williams jump rope. So let's open it because this looks pretty cool. And Venus Williams is just like a superwoman. So this is really, really amazing. I think it's a jump rope, is it? Yes, a jump rope. Ooh. So we have a jump rope over here. So guys, that is my FabFitFun unboxing. These are all like really great things that I'm gonna bring with me on my trip, and I kind of realized that as I was going along with it. So I'm so excited about all these things. I think this is my favorite box so far, and I cannot wait to try everything. I know I'm going to be opening every single one of these things and testing them and seeing how everything is. Again, I have a coupon code. It's just RageSpeed for $10 off. And I want to thank FabFitFun for sponsoring this video once again. You can head over to the website, description box. You guys know the drill. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to follow along on all of my adventures and when I'm going on my Hawaii trip, head on over to my Instagram because I'll be posting everything in real time there. And I am going to go. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.